right, guys. Thank you guys for waiting. It's been a tough week for me. A lot of activities and a lot of work to do. Thank you so much for your patience. And somehow, I feel some of you should have. I sent a sample. I sent a landing page sample on the group, and I feel you should have put together your landing page already. That with the systemy.io on the free tool that you have. All right. So basically, these are the 5 things you need to do. These are the 5 things I do if I want to sell a product that is not my own. All right. So after finding the product, I learn about the course. All right. I make my research. Like, okay, we're talking about CPL course here, and I make Google search about what is CPL, how it works, just for you to learn more. All right. And if possible, all right, if possible, me, I like to buy the course myself. If you buy it on StakeOut, you pay 10k. If you buy it for 20k, you get commission of 10k. So just like you are buying it for like 10k. So it's good to buy the course, use it, right? Do get involved in it so that you'll be able to answer much question. All right, you'll be able to handle much question. All right. So if you are doing it yourself, all right, you can make money doing CPL, and you can teach people better. All right, selling the course itself. So this is not really compulsory somehow, but Nigerians will want to ask, okay, how much have you made and all. So if you can find your way around it, and okay, that's cool. If you can actually find your way around it, okay, around that question, okay. So secondly, you find the course owner. All right, you find the course owner. Every course owner usually have a support group for people that is selling their product. All right, they do have support group. I know about that. All right, you search for them on what's it called, on Twitter. All right, you go through there, like this CPL guy. Now where is it? This CPL guy, I searched for him on Twitter, and I was able to join his Telegram group. I saw his VSL, that's a video recording, all right, VSL to sell the course. All right, if you have been following my status, you see me talking about, okay, I have a recorded video. That was a video I picked from from his group. All right, and so far that video has brought me like 5 sales. All right, that's like 50k. Okay, so I searched for him on Twitter. All right, I searched for him on Twitter, and I got some flyers. I got the video, and you can easily talk about it on your on your WhatsApp status, and people like, what's this, and I send them the video, and I tell them when they are done, get back to me. All right, if I check some people will come back to you after like 20 minutes. I will tell you that's not the time duration, and they need to actually complete that video. All right, so make sure they complete the video, and when they get back to you with question, all right, when they get back to you with question, then okay, probably once you get started, probably they don't have that money, and you can actually get them started. Send them your link and follow up with them. All right, so 3 is source for your materials. Okay, part of sourcing for your materials is joining the group. Look at what other people are saying, and from the group you can extract some testimonials. All right, let me show you the landing page I did. If you check the landing page I did, you see that I made use of some testimony. I got it from his page. All right, I got it from his page. Okay, all right, so put together your funnel and start promoting. All right, so